Hello again, a new day, a new fix, and what we're gonna do? We're gonna change the battery to my Toyota fob. That's a touchless key fob. Here I have the mechanical key also, which have to go back in place. And the replacement battery, it's a Varta CR1632 lithium battery. Okay, what we're gonna do first, of course, after you take out the mechanical key, then simply insert here and push gently until the case it's unpacking. Then the replacement, it's very easy. All right, so this is the CR1632. Take out the old one, put in the new one, and you are done. Of course, this will be back into the plastic case. As you can see, we have there a kind of rubber shell, which assure somehow, for the water, humidity, and all the other stuffs, it's not getting in, of course. And here we have the mechanical key switch or opener. I don't know how to call this, but anyway, this one have to come right here. But you see, guys, this kind of funny. Okay, this is the original fob, and the spring in here, it's kind of different. Somehow the spring is inside the locker. It's very easy to understand that. So here is the end of the spring, and the other one, it's coming into the locker. This is a clone, and the single way to have the locker back in place is to have the spring on the top of the fob, like this. Wow. There we have the little bastard. So both of them have the same battery 1632. That's nice. Let me have the original back in place. Okay, that's the back of the original Toyota fob. And now the mechanical key in there. Nice. And let me have this guy. So like I said before, this spring will be attached on the superior part of the locker. Anyway, kind of tricky. I didn't know that. Well, that doesn't really matter as long as, yeah, it's doing the job. Okay, go down there. That's why it was just jumping up from the case. Very easy. So if you have a clone, take care with that and be careful. And now let's put this, guys, the electronic. Okay. Nice. Okay, yeah. Is it working? Of course. And the key back. Let's check this out. Yeah. So That's it, how to replace the battery for a Toyota touchless key. That's CR1632. That's the battery for this kind of guys. And like usual, please like, please subscribe, and of course I'm waiting your comments. Anyway, don't forget to have fun. That's the most important thing. Bye bye.